Welcome! In this tutorial we'll build a simple number guessing game in Python from scratch. We'll start by importing the random module so the computer can pick a secret number for us. Now we ask Python to choose a random whole number between 1 and 100. This is the secret number the player will try to guess. We print a short welcome message so the player knows what to do and what range the number is in. A while loop keeps the game running until the player guesses correctly. Inside it, we read their guess and turn the text into a number with int. Now we compare the guess to the secret number. If it is too low or too high, we give a helpful hint so the player can adjust. When the guess matches, we congratulate the player, show how many tries it took, and break out of the loop. Run it with Python and enjoy your game.